What is up, Obscure Tech folks? I am excited right now. Overly excited probably, because I am going to test out a new webcam. I have not seen a video about this webcam anywhere on YouTube, and it is the Acer Ultra HD, the 4K Ultra HD webcam, WBC-0E01. This thing was $69. Currently $66. When I bought it for $69, it was down from $100. Then the next day it was down from $139. Now it's down from $69 to $66. So I don't know what the actual price is, but it's been as high as $139. I don't know. I don't know what the deal is. I just know it looked cool. It was on sale. Pretty excited about it. I've been wanting to switch my camera. Here's what it looks like when you take the cover off the box there. But it's got a 1/2-inch Sony sensor, CMOS sensor in it. For the price, I'm hoping it's really good. Now, I am using the Insta360 link. I always get that all mixed up. I'm using the Insta360 link, and I have for a long time to film these videos. And the reason I film all my videos with the Insta360 link is because I am not bougie. I do not have high expectations for my video quality. I just need it to be good enough. I care more about the audio, and everyone's got the bokeh in the background and the ultra smooth this and the that and the other. I'm not that overly concerned with that stuff. I think my videos look plenty good enough. You could nitpick them all day long and be like, there's noise here and there's this and that and the other, but like, it's a talking head video. Not doing anything groundbreaking here. So I'm hoping that maybe this, like, I have issues sometimes with my Insta360 link. It's on a gimbal. I bought it because it was just, at the time, it was kind of like the creme de la creme of webcams at the time that it came out. People were like, holy shit. And then OBSBot started doing stuff. And, you know, there's other things. The YOLO S3 is something I'm considering buying because I do want to upgrade the image a little. And I want something static. I want something that's mounted, which I've got a wall mount with a 1/4-20 thread. And I want something that's not on a gimbal, because this is the shot. Like, this is the shot. It's actually zoomed in a little more than normal, but this is the typical shot of what I work with. I have issues, like I was saying before, with my Insta360 link. Sometimes I'll turn on all my stuff and it'll just zoom to the far corner of the room, and I have to go manually use the gimbal control and get it recentered and angled, and time is money. Time is money. If there's any chance in hell that this Acer could replace the Insta360 link, I would be pretty happy about that. So you take the camera out of the package, and this is what you get. You get a foam block. Look how thin that is. It's a really cool looking webcam. Go ahead and get it out of the box here, or out of the foam wedge. And this is the sides of the webcam. You got the rear with just a USB-C on it. And yeah, you got the front. That's the shot right there. Really cool. So we got the webcam, a slab of metal, and it is metal, all metal. Really cool. The biggest reservation I have right now is the fact that I don't think there's software. If there is, I don't know anything about it. Here's a little box here. Little boxes made of ticky-tacky. Little boxes made of ticky-tacky. No. And here's our mount for, you know, our put on our monitor or whatnot. It's got a 1/4-20, and then on the bottom it's got ye old screw. Hey, screw you, buddy. No, screw you. No, you, Philip. No, you, Terrence. One thing I found weird about the whole package is it comes with a USB A to C. A to C. Long braided. What was that? What I just dropped there, buddy? Hey, buddy, what I dropped, buddy? Okay, what I dropped was a little coin with felt on one side and this on the other, and I believe it's probably a magnetic. Yes, it's a magnetic cover to cover the camera, and it's got, you know, soft felt on one side. So that is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I kind of dig this. I am super confused as to why it's an A to C, though. I really am. That does confuse me, but we're going to use the cable that came with it. I've got my Insta360 link wall mounted behind my monitor. So this will be super easy to twist on and mount on top of my monitor. I just smudged stuff. I gotta screw this on. I'll be right back. All right, so everything's screwed on. We're good to go. Get this all hooked up and really hope for the best. 4K USB-A connection. I'm a little confused. It's fine. Modern webcam, no USB-C to C, just a tad bit confused, that's all. But we're going to do this. And I will say right now, like, I do have my preset image quality stuff set up on this video. This is not raw. I will start this out raw. This looks not too far off from raw from the Insta360 link. I've got like some settings adjusted a little bit, but overall, this is just light tweaks. So we'll see. We'll see. And it's a dark room. Alexa, turn on the light. Here's a non-dark room. A lot of lighting with the Insta360. Way too much lighting with the Insta360. Alexa, turn off the light. Okay, be right back with the Acer 4K camera. Woo! All right, so here is the default image. Again, lights are on. Alexa, turn off the lights. I don't know. I don't think it's going to replace the Insta360. Let's make some adjustments. All right, here's some adjustments. I'm not. Yeah. Now, granted, we're in 1080-60. That's what's going on here. Might need to create a new scene and come back in 4K. We'll see. But so far, like, usable-ish, but I don't know. I don't know so far. It's a nice looking webcam too. Let's the whole video is going to be upscaled, but let's 4K this up. Okay, here's a test, maximum quality 4K using QuickTime just to like purge all the settings. Here's a test. Image quality, I'm not that impressed. It's okay. It's a little disappointing. I was hoping for better. Something I will hand the Acer camera is the autofocus is pretty good. That was pretty quick. Yeah. Okay, and here is a test of the internal microphone of the Acer Ultra 4K HD webcam. This is the microphone test of it. Man, I just wish this was just a little better. Just wish it was a little better, man. I mean, maybe it'll make a good overhead mic. Will it make a good overhead cam? Maybe, that's not bad. Okay, this is a test of the microphone of the Insta360 link. Microphone test, Insta360 link. Need to maybe some balance issues, maybe some white balance stuff here. Okay, so I've used a camera app, like a webcam app, to darken everything and to try to get this thing close to like the Insta360 link, and this is kind of what I've done here. It's better, but I would need to pay $39.99 to unlock this and send it over, and I already paid 60-some bucks for the Acer camera. See if the autofocus still works with all these settings in there. Pretty good, yeah. Image quality's not bad. It's probably worth 60-some bucks in the right setting, but the Insta360 link still ultimately wins. It just does. That's my review. It's okay. It's not a bad-looking camera, the image quality, and sometimes, you know, what I see is different than what other people see. Sometimes people are like, oh, I like the Acer better, and I'm like, okay, cool, great, awesome. But I don't. It's freaking cool looking, like lovely looking camera, really is. Everything about it's really cool. I'm going to show you real quick. Like there's, you know, it's got a little LED light and stuff. You know, it's cool. There's the two side by side, the Insta and the Acer's got a nice cool light. And, yeah, it's a really awesome looking webcam that just doesn't really do it for me. So it's not bad. Like I could continue to like use it in a pinch. Some of the sharpness here, if I could get that to come up just a little bit. turn the sharpness up just a little bit just now. Like there's potential here. You have to do a lot of tweaking, but the Insta360 Link out of the box, less tweaking, better image quality in my opinion, is what it is. Obscure mics. That's not right. That's my other channel. That's what happens when you have lots of obscure channels. Obscure Tech. See you next time. Or something like that.